Post, our beloved congressman has a prior commitment in Manila. That's why he sent me here to read his message. The officials of Ilocos IELTS Review Center, esteemed representatives from IDP Education, fellow public servants, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Today marks an important milestone not only for Lawag City and Ilocos Norte, but for the entire Ilocos region, as we formally open the first international English language testing system on computer lab here in our city. This is a momentous occasion that is a testament to our continued commitment to help our Kailian sharpen their skills and seize global opportunities. I would like to congratulate IIRC and IDP Education for their unwavering commitment to make IELTS review more accessible for Ilocanos. As IELTS is recognized by over 11,000 organizations worldwide, our people, whether they aspire to study or work abroad, will now have access to this globally recognized certification right here in Lawag City. It is expected that this facility will be more cost-effective and more convenient for those who need to take up IELTS. The IELTS on Computer Lab that we inaugurate today will help provide an opportunity for our students and professionals to be globally competitive. There is an estimated 12 million Filipinos now living and working in every corner of the world. We are proud to remember that we Ilocanos are pioneers of the global Pinoy. Resilience, great interpersonal skills, and the will to learn have made the Filipino thrive and succeed overseas. Today's event, therefore, is not just the opening of a new facility or service, it is the opening of opportunities for our Kailian. Congratulations to everyone involved in this project, and may the Ilocos IELTS Review Center and the IELTS on Computer Lab be blessed with success and flourish through the years. Maraming salamat po, and mabuhay po tayong lahat.